Today, an example of this beautiful oversized vest. Its written pattern you may find in description below. And see you at the beach dress on Instagram. I wanna show you the way to seam lace crochet pieces together. Such seam isn't bulky and it looks in the same style as your finished item. Okay, let's get it started. We take our crochet pieces, put the right side together, look at your rows, make sure they match. You may use seaming pins. So we are going to work one single crochet in each row and then we work definite quantity of chains. Number of chains you work between rows depends on kind of stitches you use in the garment. For example, this beautiful oversized vest combines double crochet stitches and double treble crochet stitches. So at the bottom I work chain 3 between rows. It's that quantity of chains which we do at the beginning of double crochet rows. If you have a single crochet, then you work one chain between the rows. If you have double crochet, I already said it, we work 3 chains. Like here, 1, 2, 3, and work one single crochet into the next row. You see, we have such bars, and on the bars we have holes, so work in these holes. Again, we still have double crochets at the bottom of this vest, so chain 3 for double crochet and work one single crochet into the next row. Further we have double treble crochets until the end of our underarm area, so we should work chain 5, but to have smooth path between chain 3 and chain 5, let's work chain 4 once. 1, 2, 3, 4, and work one single crochet into the both pieces. Chain 5, because we already passed to double treble crochet area, and single crochet into the next row. Chain 5 and one single crochet into the next row. So that's our last single crochet and we finish. Look how smooth and nice it looks like. I can't even find it because it looks the same, lacy and meshed as the main cloth. here on the meshed part it is easier to make seam because rows are more visible. You look at the right side of your sewed piece, it's almost invisible and very delicate. Into the next video I will show you how to seam motifs pieces in the same way with lace invisible crochet seam.